Hi, welcome to Attainable Green. I'm Jess, and today I'll be sharing my latest orchid haul from Orchids from Hausermann. I picked up a few seedlings and minis in this haul. I wanted some compact plants because I'm slowly losing window space. I'm considering moving some plants outdoors, maybe the Cataleas or Catasetums, but that's a topic for another day. Let's start with the minis. This is the DLA Liam Snowflake Northland, which is part of the Cataleia Alliance. It's known for its star-shaped blooms and white flowers. It's the parent of one of the famous Cataleia hybrids, Iwanagaara Appleblossom. The leaves are very stiff and succulent, so it should be able to handle a range of temperatures, and this one is a contender for growing outdoors. It seems like it bloomed before on the latest suitable. It also has a tiny new growth, so I'm looking forward to watch this one grow. Next is the Oncidium Twinkle Fantasy, which should be a vigorous hybrid. I believe the blooms on this one is going to be white with a little bit of yellow in the center. This orchid is known for the quantity of flowers, but also for the long wait while it creates the shower of blooms. This one is a bushy little thing with at least 3 growths, so it's very promising that there will be blooms later in the year. The last mini is the Leptotes Bicolor, a species orchid whose seed capsules were used as a vanilla alternative. It's also part of the Cataleia Alliance. There are a lot of old flower spikes on this plant, so that's a good sign. I also see 2 directions of growth, so this might grow faster and bushier. The leaves are kind of folded in onto itself to make these needle-like leaves. Next are the seedlings. I have a few years to wait before the seedlings are blooming size, but I hope that by picking ones with interesting foliage, I can grow them for the leaves while waiting for the blooms. I'm an impatient grower, and if I have beautiful leaves to look at, then I don't mind so much that I don't have flowers. This is the Phalaenopsis Stuartiana, which is one of the mottled leaf phals. It's a seedling, and it has a few years before it will be blooming size. The flowers will be white, so it's not too flashy, but it makes up for it with its variegated foliage. This one has 2 plantlets in the net pot. It seems to be doing well, and it's growing a new leaf, and the subtle mottling is already showing through. Next is the Iwanagaara Appleblossom, another seedling. This complex hybrid in the Cataleia Alliance is known for its wonderful scent and beautiful pale pink and yellow blooms. The current root system isn't great. Actually, it's pretty bad, so it really needs a new growth and new roots to sustain this plant. Lastly, this is the Psychopsis Mendenhall Hildos, the final seedling in this haul. The variegated foliage is absolutely stunning, and I would totally grow this without worrying about the blooms. The maroon spotting on the dark green leaves is kind of unusual, but it works. This orchid is known as the butterfly orchid for its butterfly-like flowers. There's about 2 suitables on this plant and 1 new growth that has yet to mature a suitable. I'm really looking forward to see how this one matures, and I don't mind waiting for the flowers, which will look truly magical. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any tips or tricks on how you grow these plants, let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel, Attainable Green, for all the latest updates. Hit the bell to get notifications so you never miss an episode. Bye!